Are you looking for digital pianos? In this video, I will show you the 5 best digital pianos based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Rockjam 761 keyboard piano. The outputs on this electric piano keyboard include a MIDI output which enables you to attach your musical keyboard to a computer and operate a digital audio workstation such as Logic, Ableton, or Fruity Loops. All of the features and settings on this electric piano are easily accessible from the intuitive and highly responsive touch display. These 61-key music keyboards are packed full of features: 30 demo songs, 200 tones, 200 rhythms, record and playback functions, and 2 inbuilt teaching modes. The 4th product on the list is the Best Choice Products Digital Piano. Full-size digital piano with 88 weight-sensitive keys is the perfect answer for the aspiring musical master with limited floor space. Detachable pedal simulates a damper-free sound adjustment, creating notes and tones that can fade gradually or stop suddenly. A compact folding stand fits anywhere and provides a stable foundation for practice or performing, and a music stand lets you maintain good posture as you read your score. Mimic the sounds of 6 different instruments/piano styles to broaden your skills and experiment with sound. Have an organ, harpsichord, and much more with the press of a button. The 3rd product on the list is the Donner Beginner Digital Piano. Donner 88-key digital keyboard piano is the perfect companion for your playing, learning, and creative journey, as it reproduces the sound of a traditional piano and simulates the feel of a traditional piano through advanced technology. Donner 88-key digital electric piano has a dual tone setting function. One digital piano keyboard plays 2 sounds at the same time, providing more possibilities for your music creation. Let's create our own music with Donner DEP20 digital piano keyboard. The 2nd product on the list is the Elysees Recital Grand Digital Piano. Elysees has revolutionized the music industry with its groundbreaking studio recording, electronic percussion, keyboard, and live sound gear. The Recital fuses 88 full-sized semi-weighted keys, 5 premium voices, reverb and chorus effects to customize your sound, and powerful 20-watt speakers. Develop your repertoire on your own time, at your own pace, with a curated catalog filled with everything from current chart hits to classical music. The 1st product on the list is the Yamaha P71 digital piano. The Yamaha P71B is an Amazon-exclusive model designed to be the perfect home digital piano for rehearsing, learning, and creating. A full-sized piano keyboard with fully weighted keys and Yamaha premium piano voices provide the user with the most realistic feel and sound possible while maintaining a modest footprint in your home. Many of the settings on the P71 can be changed with a single button. Simply hold down the grand piano/function button and press selected keys to change voices, play demo sources, configure the metronome, and so on. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.